Hello WordPress people, so this is the video about plugin update for comment mention. So basically this plugin is about tagging users into WordPress post comment. So you can mention users by start typing at, and it will start displaying the users available on the site in the auto suggestions like this. And mention user will have an email notification that they were mentioned by someone on some post. So this plugin has just released a new version, and basically it is all about redesigning the plugin setting page. So first of all, let me show you how the old version setting page was looking about. So this is the older version, and here is the setting page, and it is simply a basic WordPress setting page, which was good enough, but now this has been updated. So let's see how does it look, and we will use this live preview for that. Okay, so this is the preview and this is the demo page. So here is the instruction given how we can use this feature. So basically it says just start typing it, and then so this is how when you start typing it, it will display the list of users on the site, and then you can tag them over here and then post comment. So when you click on that username, it will be redirect them to the particular user's author page. As of now, this author doesn't posted any post, so it is displaying something like that. Now main thing is let's go to the setting page, and this is how it looks now. So this is the older setting page, and this is the new setting page, and these are the pro features. So pro feature has a new tab where you can have this pro features enabled. For that you will need a pro plugin. For that you can just simply click over here, and then you will get pro plugin. So pro plugin provides more features like reply to. So for example, let's go to the site again. So for example, here we mentioned John Doe. So if we click over here, reply John Doe, so here it will, John Doe will be automatically added to this reply. So that is reply to, search by first name and last name. So here we can just search by the username in free version, but from the pro we can search by first name and last name, then search by display name as well. We can enable comments on the page as well. Then GamiPress compatibility. So when someone mentions other user, then the user who is mentioning will get some points using GamiPress. MemberPress compatibility is also there. So you want to restrict user based on the memberships, then you can use this plugin with MemberPress. Then also mention by first name and last name. So right now this is only mentioned by username, but we can have mentioned by first name and last name. So here instead of username, it will be display the user's first name last name combination, which is again really useful feature for security purpose, privacy purpose. So that's the pro feature, and let's get back to the settings page again, and we can enable the emails as well. So mention user will get email. You can just simply change the email content Over here you can use these short codes or token you want to use in the mail content. So yeah, this is all about updating the user experience for the plugin setting page. And yeah, this is the comment mention 2.0. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.